Hi there, I am Arafhat. I am going to show some reapproved merchant that I fixed today. You see 20 January this message from Google. That's reapproved message. I am going to the product. That's all product are reapproved. Then I go to the second account. Please wait. You see there is no suspension. Go to the message box and you see same mail, same message. That's reapproved message. Go to the product. You see that's all product are reapproved. And go to the third account. It's also reapproved 20 January. Yes, it's also approved. So there is no suspension. Product are also reapproving. Please wait. It's reapproving. Wait. And account issue, you see there is no suspension issue. Okay, so if you open, manage or fix a Google shopping account or suspended the account, please contact with me. If you have any questions about Google Merchant Center, please feel free to contact me. I am an experienced person in this sector. I know a lot of tricks how to fix a Google Merchant Center or fixing any issue. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Bonjour, voilà, c'est pour vous dire que j'ai travaillé avec Arafhat. Il m'a bien débloqué mes deux GMC. J'avais deux stores, un aux US et un français qui était bloqué il y a une semaine. Et grâce à ses compétences, Arafhat a pu débloquer mes GMC. Voilà, merci Arafhat.